Okay, so we have seen how simplistic is the process. So the process and the steps are pretty well defined. Now we'll see how is it different from what the bank is currently offering as of now. Anyone can say that this already exists in the market. The government has given the money to the bank, and the bank is allowed to disburse it. So and government bank does all the heavy lifting around to check the credit worthiness and then decide whom to give, whom not to give. So let's take that pain out of the bank, process, do it somewhere else, and then just let the bank disburse the amount, which would be very simplistic for them. They have a one document, promising document, and the amount disbursed, so they can manage it very well. But besides, what is it? We'll see what kind of calculation I'm talking about. So in this calculation, I'm talking about all these data points are taken from the internet, and some of the calculations are done in the Excel. So this is a snippet of that Excel. Now for this calculation, I have taken a salary range group of 10,000 per month till the 3 lakh per month. So essentially we are covering all the necessary all the segment of the people, and this percentage, which is again a variable, this is somewhat taken from the internet from a small sample survey. And then now let's say in this salary group, we are considering total 2 crore people here. Essentially 3 crore people file ITR, then 1.6 crore file ITR but they don't pay tax, 1.4 crore people are paying taxes. So essentially if the calculation we fit in for 2 crore people, what the numbers comes up with, we'll see that. So these are this is the distribution of the salary group, the average salary and the number of peoples. So we get the to calculate the cost to the government, we need to figure out what is the eligible amount they are eligible for. So they are eligible for 6 times of their take home salary. So if somebody is earning 20,000 a month, he is eligible for 1.2 lakh of the amount. If somebody is earning an average of 2 lakh, he is eligible for, I mean we are giving him, this is a variable through a formula. So let's say we are giving them the 15 lakh. Now in this range, with the number of people, if the calculation is being done, we are coming up with a number which is like 1 lakh crore. So that this 1 lakh crore sounds too much, but yeah, we'll see what's the benefit around it. So now this calculation is done to figure out what's the benefit for the government if the government is incurring this cost. So government, right now we are seeing that the government is agreed to give 12 months moratorium on a collateral free loans. So now over here, I'm not asking for any free subsidy or any welfare or appeasement. Rather, what I'm saying is help the taxpayer if they are in the bad situation, or if they have a better idea to improve their life, or better idea to serve the humanity or community in a bigger sense. So how they will be able to implement the better idea? They need the fund, they need the small contribution from the government, they need the small help, and this help we are talking about. But we are not taking this help just for the sake. We are also offering some man hours to the government. So we are saying the 6 months of moratorium will avail, and 6 months of community service of this hours. So if I have taken 15 lakh as a loan or as an amount from the government, if I am benefited by 15 lakh from the government, I will serve government for 80 plus hours. Considering a highly skilled professional like doctor, if doctor currently working or he's just done the MBBS and he wants to set up a small clinic, he needs some small contribution from the government, then 15 lakh will be well suited amount which can help a doctor. Despite his being a highly skilled professional, this amount can help him in a better run. So for this 15 lakh, he is willing to serve us for 80 hours. So doctor will provide you, if one day 8 hours, 10 days of service free of cost to the government. So that community service is just a goodwill gesture from our side to the government, because the government has shown us the faith in us and disbursed this amount. Similarly, if a worker who is not highly skilled, can serve government as a frontline workers with a bare minimum training. He can do a security job. He can do a receptionist job. He can work with group of peoples, or can help us in developing an army of workforce. So taking this 1 lakh crore, if the government is investing 1 lakh crore, we in return of it, we'll get 40 crore man hours. 40 crore man hours, government can take benefit from the people of India. So if, let's say, if the situation deteriorates, and if we are in help of the more people, more doctors, more frontline workers, more nurses, then this small commitment for the next 12 months will help government in a better situation, in a better way. So this is a small calculation. It says only 3 points, that this is the cost to the government, this is the community service the people of India is promising to the government, whosoever is being benefited by an eligible amount. And then moving to the next slide. So there are a few more things I would like to highlight. Will not take long. It's just a key points that we are not. My apology for talking about only the taxpayers, but this model, this devised model, can be extended to the MSMEs, to the startups, to the doctors wanted to set up something new, MBBS researchers doing PhD, can be extended to any one of them. Instead, we just need to do the community service, 12 months of moratorium, and then we will pay in the lump sum, or in an EMI. We can, since we have done the community service, we'll get the discount on the EMI. Let's say if currently the personal loan is being disbursed at 12%, it will be done. I mean, government can help us in distributing it at some lesser price, some lesser rate of interest. So that's the idea I was trying to talk about today. If this makes sense, I would like all the viewers to help us in liking it, and then distributing or propagating this message to whomsoever he can, so that it can reach to the wider audience, and we can come to a consensus wherein government can help us in this way. So this is all for today, and I'll be back with a few other models which can help government and equally benefit the people of India. Thanks everyone.